Good morning children. Now I am taking English lesson number 19, Monica's race. Children, before starting the lesson, observe the glossary. Means word meanings. Handsome. Handsome means charming. Handsome, charming. Gather, assemble. Gather, assemble. Now open page number 31. Children, here given some pictures. Observe in your textbook. She is Monica. It is a bear, a young man, a big golden apple, a winning post. These all images have in the story. These all pictures comes in the story, children. Yes, open children, page number 33. Monica's race. Race means you know that children. Running race, like that, what that competition. Now observe the lesson in your textbook. Once there lived a beautiful princess called Monica. When she was born, her father left her in the forest. He did not like the child and thought that she would become a prey to the beast in the forest. The child did not know all this. She slept peacefully. A bear found her. The child's face was shining brightly in the light of the sun. The bear got attracted towards the child and took her to its cave and fed her. Monica grew up in the cave with the other little bears and lived in the forest. She grew big and strong and was able to do anything that a man could do. She was able to fight with beasts bravely. When she was 16 years old, her father died and her mother took her to the palace. Her mother was happy to see her because she had thought that her child was dead. Monica had grown into a beautiful woman, and when the neighboring princes heard of her return, all of them wanted to marry her. But Monica could not make up her mind whom of them she should marry. So she said, I shall run a race with anyone who wishes to marry me. The one who runs fast and who wins the race shall be my husband. Many princes came and tried their best, but she always won the race. See children, once there lived a beautiful princess called Monica. Who was Monica? Monica was a beautiful princess. When she was born, her father left her in the forest. See, her father did not like Monica because that is the what that she baby means. That is a girl child. So the king did not like that child. He left that child in the forest. What happened next? He did not like the child and thought that she would become a prey to the beast in the forest. Prey means Prey. Prey means food. See, he left the child in the forest, and the father thought that the girl baby, maybe the girl baby become a prey, means food to wild animals. Beast means wild animals in the forest. The child did not know all this. How can the child knows? Yes, no children. Because it is a very small child. The child don't know anything. She slept peacefully. The child slept peacefully. A bear found her. See, the forest means there should be many wild animals should be there, no? So one of the animal, that is bear, found her. The child's face was shining brightly in the light of sun. The bear observed there was a child. It was shining. It was brightly in the light of sun. The child was looking very shiningly, brightly it is looking. The bear got attracted towards the child. The bear attracted towards the child. So and took her to its cave and fed her. See, the bear only took that child, took her, and it helped that child to grow up. Okay, it only giving food to that. The bear only taking careful about that child. Monica grew up in the cave with the other little bears and lived in the forest. See, day by day, year by year, Monica grew up in the cave with other little bears. How the other little bear grew, no? Like that, Monica also, along with them, she also grew and lived in the forest. She also later she started to live in the forest only with bears. She grew big and strong and was able to do anything that a man could so. She grew big and strong and she also able to do anything that a man could do. What were the things the man can do? Man can do the work or anything, cooking food or what that anything. What the man can normally, generally the man can do the things, no? Like that, Monica also learn and also she also able to do anything that a man can do. She was able to fight with beast bravely and she was not afraid to see the what that animals, wild animals. She was able to fight with the wild animals. Here beast means wild animals bravely. Means here the Monica was grew very big and strong and she can able to do anything that the man could do and also she able to fight with beast bravely. When she was 16 years old, she was now in 16 years, means she was 16 years old presently. Her father died. So at the same time when she was in 16th year, her father was died. And her mother took her to the palace. After that, after the death of her father, the mother took to her to the palace. See, here Monica was a daughter of king, daughter of king, great king. See, when the king died, no, after that, the queen took her to the palace. Her mother was happy to see her because she had thought that her child was dead. Actually, Monica's mother thought already her daughter died, but after the death of the king, she came to know her daughter was alive. So she came and she took her daughter to the palace, and the queen felt very happy. She felt very happy because her daughter is alive. So Monica had grown into a beautiful woman. See, after that, Monica had grown into a beautiful woman. She was in 16 years, and after that, when she entered to the or that palace, she looking very beautiful woman. And when the neighboring princess heard of her return, see, neighboring princess heard of her return. All of them wanted to marry her. See, all the princes, neighboring princes, are very interested to marry her because Monica was looking very pretty, beautiful. But Monica could not make up her mind whom of them she should marry. But Monica could not make up her mind whom of them she should marry. So still she not decided to marry with whom. So she said, I shall run a race with anyone who wishes to marry me. See, she here gave one condition. Gave one condition. What that means? Really, really, actually, she was not. She knows who is his husband. So she gave one condition. What that means? She said, "I shall run a race with anyone, with any prince." Okay. So who will win the race? I wish to marry with him. Like that, she said. The one who runs fast and who wins the race shall be my husband. See, she said, who won the race, who runs fast, and who wins the race, then I shall marry with that princess and make him as husband, she said. Many princes came and tried their best, but she always won the race. Many neighboring princes came and they participated in that race, and Monica always running with pair of one prince. Okay, always Monica only winning the race. After that, there was one prince who came from far away. See, one prince came from far away. Means here that prince was not neighboring prince. He was coming from far away. Because she heard of Monica's beauty. He heard the beauty of Monica's. He was very handsome. Actually, that prince was very handsome. And when Monica saw him, she hoped that he would win. See, when that prince came and he accepted to participate in the race, at the first time only Monica saw that prince. The Monica already decided and she hoped this prince definitely in the race. And that prince also very beautiful like as Monica. But at the same time, she did not want to give up. But before winning of that race, she won't accept that prince as her husband. So first, she ready to participate in that race. If he win the race, if he won the race, means she is ready to marry with that prince. So like that beautiful prince who came coming from far away and Monica both also participated in the race. See like this, what the Monica given the condition who won the race, she ready to marry with them and she take that person as her husband. So like this, here also finally the Monica ready to run along with that handsome prince in the race. Children, in this race, who will win? Maybe Prince or Monica. Then Monica marry with whom? See how she kept the condition like that only. After who, if the prince won the race means she will marry with that princess or not about the children. I will explain in the next class. Okay, thank you.